Oh shit, I haven't done a vlog in a minute, but little life update. Last time we were in Japan, now we back in the States, so we out the military, civilian life, chilling, working part-time, disability, all that shit. But you know, life's still good, man. It's gonna be a short vlog. It's our day off on Saturday. We're gonna polish the MR2. Then later we're gonna go watch the Alamo Bowl with my boy Bucs. But yeah, we're gonna go watch the Alamo Bowl. It's Colorado versus BYU. Couple boys from Hawaii playing on the BYU team, so we're gonna go watch. So see how that goes. But yeah, this is life after the military. We in Texas, about to start vlogging again. I've been lacking on this shit, but you know, we back, make some new content, go to car meets, blah blah blah, gym, all that shit, meet new people. Yeah, life is good. Can't get any better than this. Always blessed, man. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we already clay barred it, because gotta do that before you polish. Take out all the shit off the car. But yeah, now we're about to polish. I ain't never done this before, so don't come at me, bro. Hopefully I don't fuck this up.
Turn me up, Mar.
Come on.
Hey. Hey. Come on.
I don't know if they can hear me, but we went to the BYU and Colorado game. Didn't bring the camera because Pac said we can't bring it in, so we left it in the car. But BYU spanked that ass. Smoked it. What was the score?
36-14.
36-14. Heisman went down, bro. But yeah, we after the game are we downtown? Basically.
Southtown.
Southtown?
Southtown 101.
Southtown? Southtown?
Yeah, like fucking.
Like Yeah, we came. Where did we go? We came here. What is this place called?
Like 76 South.
76 South.
Fuck yeah, bro.
But yeah, we came here to we ate wings. That shit was gas, bro. Put me on. So yeah, we chilling at the bar. Bunch of old heads out here. Show them the chain, bro. Oh, wait. Stay right there. Exclusive only, bro. Oh yeah, tell them where you're from, bro.
Why not? West side down. What's up? We out here, SA.
What's the zip code?
92, boy. 92 all day.
But yeah, I don't know where we're going. We're about to go to another bar, I guess. You want to drink? You want me to grab a drink there or over here? Over there? Yeah, we're about to go to another bar.
Is it a girl?
It's a boy.
What's his name?
Winchester.
Winchester.
Look at his little legs, bro.
How old is he?
14. He'll shake. If you put your hand down and ask him to shake, he'll shake.
Shake. Shake.
Or he'll think about it.
I think he smells the wings though, bro.
Yeah, he's all like, oh, what's that?
Jabba.
Shake.
Shake.
Yeah, he smells the wings. Alright, Winchester.
Later.
Where do you post to?
Alright, man.
It's your boy.
Hey, that's one. We'll see him in the next 4. How he is. Later.
Right there. Hit that shit. Yeah.
We out here, McIntyre. You already know what it is. It's my boy. We're in Colorado. They got their ass smashed, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm in my.
Crack, I got an AR.
like he shooting schools up. Yellow wide body, Hellcat look like a school bus. Dove up in that water, I ain't had no school bus.